Hello guys, I have a HP Spectre X360 laptop here which is turning on. As you can see, it is turning on but it's not charging. I will put the password. So as you can see the battery icon here, right, and if we're plugging in the charger, here, see, no charging, and we have got another charger here, and neither we have got charging icon here, as you can see. Okay, so there is something wrong. It could be charging port, it could be PD controller, and let's open it and check. Oh, I forgot to remove one screw. There you go. First of all, I would like to check the first two MOSFETs if they are on this side. We don't have to check these power supplies because it is turning on anyway on them. I think that's on the other side. I have to remove the logic board. Okay, so let me remove the logic board and then we will have a look on the other side where the Type-C charging ports are. Okay, let's check now. What's wrong with it? Why it's not charging? Yeah, it's hard to see actually inside if these are the charging port or yeah, it looks like they are disconnected. Can you see? Yeah. And this one? Yeah, the same. But to look under it properly, we have to somehow pull this part up so that we can see it properly if this is what the problem is. Yep. I have to get a stronger tweezer. Yeah, this one looks okay. This is strong. Yeah, now we can view properly here. Let's go closer. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, see? How about this one? Yeah, most of them are okay, but some they are loose. So what we should do now? Yeah, easy. Let me see one more time if we have got enough solder there, otherwise we can do it manually. Yeah, but the thing is, are these the only pins on this, or there are some underneath as well? Let me check. Yeah, so as you can see here, this one is, these are not only the connectors, there are underneath as well, so that means we have to reflow it. Okay, reflowing is, I would like to do it from underneath, not from the top. Yeah, see, this area is clear. Okay. Just move this out for a while. I'm gonna put some tape here so that they don't fall off, and here, and reflow them. So first of all, a bit of flux here, and here. Okay. Okay, let's check it again if we have managed to solder these. Yep. Is this one broken? Yeah, as you can see, this pad is broken. Yeah, I think now you can see clearly here. See, this track is broken. Oh, even this one is broken. Do you see here? Yeah. So this is broken, and this is clearly broken. So what we have to do now is scratch this. And scratch this. Oh, that's too much, but that's fine. Flux is never enough. Okay, first of all, I'm going to tint these. Okay, now let's check it if Let's start it charging or not. Hopefully it should. So I put everything back, just this is left. Okay. Okay, laptop is on now, and as you can see the battery, let's check. Yep, it's charging the battery, and you can also view here. See, all good. Let's check the other one. Which one? This one here. Yep, it was not inserted all the way in. Yeah, drawing 2 amps and charging the battery. Okay, that's all good. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.